Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Sir,
Please like and subscribe.
pwede magtanong sir, saan po ba dito yung McDonald's banda?
McDonald's.
May pupuntahan kaming isang lugar bago umuwi ng Kuwait, which is Manama, Bahrain. So look at this. Napansin niyo yung damit ko? Napansin niyo yung damit ko, ganun pa din. Kasi kulang yung damit ko na dala. So yung first day ko na papuntang ko Riyadh, nilabhan ko. So ito na natuyo na. Then sinuot ko ulit pabalik na papuntang Manama, Bahrain. So look at this beautiful sceneries. Red sand, sa beautiful sand dunes. Yan. Tapos ang labak-lawak ng daanan. Mas walang sasakyan na madami. Ano masasabi mo tol, Michael?
Nice, very nice.
First stop. So nagpahinga kami dito sa gasoline station. Yan. Yung mga sasakyan na kasama namin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 pala na sasakyan? 5 lang. Kaya. So guys, we are approaching the city of Dammam. City pa yung Dammam to? Hindi no? Municipality lang no? Province. Tuloy-tuloy lang. So province pala yung Dammam, hindi city. Yung biyahe namin from Riyadh to Dammam is 5 hours. Yung takbo namin yan is from 110 km per hour to 120 km per hour. Pero yung maximum yung maximum speed dito 140 dito sa highway na to, 140. Pero hindi kaya ng sasakyan for 5 hours straight na 140, so maintain to 120. Overtake speed is 125 to 130 km per hour. So yun, 5 hours at that range. So you will see the Dammam afterwards for this in this video. Running through from Al-Khobar to Bahrain using the causeway. So we will arrive in Manama at around 51 minutes. And this is the causeway, everyone. It's very dark in here right now because it is 7:43 PM in the evening. And I hope you will enjoy our stay there in Bahrain. And tomorrow morning we'll go back in Kuwait at before noon. So we will just have a breakfast and then drive again going back to Kuwait. So gang, what it do, baby?
Yeah.
We just passed the islands where they checked our documents, passports, civil IDs, visas, car registration. Everything was checked and we were cleared, and then we proceeded to the causeway from the island to Manama, Bahrain. time check, it's 8:40 p.m. And please take note that we left Riyadh around 2:30 p.m. and now it is 8:40 p.m. in the evening. Means we had used a lot of time to get here, and it's 6 hours and 10 minutes already. Akala ko automatic lang bukas eh. I-videoan ko lang eh. Ano to?
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Nakalak. Automatic lock pala to eh. Ang CR. Tapos may sofa. May TV pa. Oh, may TV pa. May painting. Room with what? Room number 1 na may magandang chandelier. Okay. May closet. Wala pa sir, ano pa to? Itawag dyan, ipa-finalize pa to. Kasama ko sa foreign region na tour natin. So, table. May kitchen din. May ref. May automatic na roaster ng manok. Mayroong washing machine area. Second room with toilet and bath. Yan, iligpit na si Boss Pabe. So same design. Third room with the same toilet and bath. Yan. Provision for closet. Ito yung room number 3. Gamit namin. Dito matutulog ni Utol Michael. So each room tigda 2 tao. Anim kami dito sa room na to. At sa likod nito ay makikita ang Manama. Buong half of a part of Manama in Bahrain. Ayan. Ayan. Geng geng. Good morning Manama. Manama, Bahrain. Maya before kami umuwi, gagala ako ng konti. So ngayong umaga, bago kami bumalik ng Kuwait, pasyal muna kami ng konti dito sa Bahrain, sa Manama. Pupunta namin yung mga magagandang skyscraper nila dito. Ayan. Doon. Mga magagandang tanawin. Makikita natin sa bandang kanan, makikita natin dyan yung parang chic hotel. Tapos itong Twisted Tower. Tapos meron din silang World Trade Center na kung saan ay self-sustaining yung ano nila. So self-sustaining yung building nila. Merong windmill, pero currently hindi gumagana kasi walang hangin. Pero pag mahangin yan, nag-generate ng sariling power yung building nila.
Yung Twisted Tower. And ano tong triangle na to?
Yan yung World Trade Center.
World Trade Center.
Sir, pwede magtanong? Saan po dito yung ano, yung papuntang McDonald's?
McDonald's? Siguro sir,
Ayan, dito. Saan sila?
punta mo doon, kanan, tapos may makikita ka isang tao na nakagano.
Ah.
Mga 100 meters.
Matagal na kayo sa Bahrain, sir?
Hindi sir, ano lang.
So kagandahan sa lugar na to, pag nagparking ka, babayad ka muna. Yan.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Sir,
Please like and subscribe.
pwede magtanong sir, saan po ba dito yung McDonald's banda?
McDonald's. Google.
Google? So pag nagpa-parking ka pala dito sa Bahrain, kukuha ka muna ng ticket. Tapos, ilagay mo sa dashboard ng sasakyan mo para pag na-check ng pulis, ibig sabihin, may permit to park ka na. Kasi yung parking namin, along the highway lang. Yan. Oh, ilalagay namin sa ano? Sa loob. Sa loob, bali, sa loob ng sasakyan ilalagay. Ayan, okay na. So, pwede na tayo mag-park hanggang 2 hours. 12:38. Yan. Ha? Pinayags Restaurant and Cafe. House of Lechon Belly and Lechon Manok. Ito yung sa Bahrain, mga guys. So, gala-gala muna kami dito sa Bahrain bago bumalik ng Kuwait. Yan. Ilatago natin yun, sir.
Oo, diba?
Oo. Oo. Ayan. Nakapatay pa yung ilaw. May birthday pa. CR. Sige, mag-order muna kami pagkain. Hey, what's up? What's up? We just cleared the customs from the Bahrain department. Bahrain, so we already exited the Bahrain and we are going to Al Khobar, Saudi Arabia. So, yan, nakikita na natin yung Al Khobar. After that, we will go directly to Kuwait. So, makapagpahinga na kami ng ilang oras at paano dahil bukas may trabaho na.
Yo,
Yeah, that's how we do it.
how we do it? Let's go.
What it do?
Let's go.